Tyson's birthday. Tyson turned 9 today. Look at me, birthday boy. And then non-birthday boy. High five, cheers. Both of you cheers together.
Cheers.
High five. Wow, this is a cake made by Dan. Mommy. Look very nice and delicious. Wow, so a lot of fruit. Look very healthy. Tyson very excited waiting for this day. Yeah? Thompson too. Look at that. How many presents he got? Oh my goodness.
5.
That's a big one. Smaller one.
And big one.
Not a smaller one. And this one from Almond Bar. And another big one. Wow.
This one. And that one. And
So he wake up last night. And then he wake up early morning to wait for today. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Bây giờ mình sẽ happy birthday celebrate with Tyson. Rồi sẽ blow the candle, make a wishes. Yeah?
Yeah, we have to sing happy birthday first.
Yes. And then open present. So he waited for the whole year.
What? The whole year?
Yeah, look at
I feel like this yesterday.
Mommy. Can you record? Wait, yeah. I come, yeah.
I'm more presents. Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to
me.
Tyson.
Happy birthday, dear me.
Dear Tyson. Happy birthday to you. Beep beep.
Hooray!
Beep beep.
Hooray!
Tyson 10 years old?
No.
Is Tyson 5 years old?
No.
Is Tyson 9 years old?
Yeah!
Yay!
I'm gonna blow the candle.
Yeah, can you sit up a bit? Yes. Close your eye, make a wish.
That.
What did you wish? Or secret?
Secret.
Okay, cool. Keep your secret. Right. So what's next, mommy?
Open the presents.
Is it?
Yeah, pretty sure.
So now the next part, Tyson wants to open present.
I wanna open this one first.
I record as well.
Presents.
So we put this one a bit back.
I'm bored.
That's from Almond Bar. You call Coupé, okay? Yeah, you can open too, Tom. Tom got the present too.
I got it correct. Even I guessed the Beyblade correct.
Wow, what is that?
Judgment Joker. Ooh.
Can you show?
Who's Joe Phoenix?
Wow, that's special.
See, Pro Series. You didn't say Pro Series.
Wow, that's a Pro Series.
Pro Series. Oh. We don't have the Pro Series of this one. We have just the normal one.
Say thank you ông bà and chúc cô Coupé.
Thank you, Omba, Chukoi, and Gokwai.
You too.
Thank you, Omba, Gokwai, and Gokwai.
And Chukoi.
Chukoi.
Great job, boys. Yes.
I want to open smaller. I want that orange and that blue.
So, yeah, another present. That's big news.
It's the best.
Wow.
Mindstorm.
What is that?
Of them all. Mindstorm.
How can you get that big present?
Oh, you bought it.
Did I?
Yeah.
No.
It might be mommy.
Where that's from? That's the
You,
gift.
mommy.
Can you turn the box around and show us, please?
Mommy.
Do you like it, Tyson?
Yes, that's what I've been wishing for.
A year?
A month.
A month for this
2
one.
months.
Wow.
Daddy, we have the normal one of this, and this is the new one. We don't have this one.
Okay.
That's just the old one.
Wow, Tyson got the big present. That's a Mindstorm
Mindstorm, you need the Mindstorm app.
Mindstorm app.
So
Can you
I'm
walk on the
thinking
iPad, I think?
Yeah.
Right. The next one, another big one.
This is gonna be good.
I think one of them belong to Tom.
No, Mommy haven't wrapped Thompson's one yet. I have more presents. Like the concrete truck.
Oh no! Another big one.
That's awesome. The fat one. That's so
I think that's a Tom. No? Tyson?
mine.
Oh no. That's a Tyson, sorry. But you share with Tom, do you?
But Mommy would have more presents for him.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy told
No,
me.
just can you hold it up and show us
So
properly?
these are the stuff you can do here.
Turn around. Turn around.
And look at the truck.
Yes. Wow. A lot of Legos today.
Yeah, there's
Unbelievable.
like 3 Legos.
I'm
I think
excited.
those ones are clothes.
Right. Tyson, go and open the new present. I open the new present. No, the last present.
This side
No,
is
no, no.
mine.
Here's the paper.
What is it gonna be? Clothes.
Close.
Tyson got it correct.
Oh no, another present. So actually, why you got too many presents?
Because I didn't even know. I just like.
Did you do very well last year? Or this year, yeah?
Yeah.
In the 8 years old, did you do well? So that's why I think that's why you deserve the present, to have the present.
Done.
Yeah, okay. Do you want to open it up to see what is that close?
Isn't that just the pants? Pants?
Wow, where's that from?
You bought that.
Did I?
Yeah, not
I can't
one.
remember anything.
When I woke up. When you bought your thongs as well. It's
Wow.
a hoodie or something.
Oh wow, that's
It's
hoodie.
a hoodie.
Can you show me?
cool.
Yeah, nice. Going up show. Wow, that's hoodie.
Silver.
Tom got the present too, Mom? No?
Where's more? Yeah, he's gonna get one in the next video.
Yeah. Now Thompson got one present from Bar. And
Yeah.
all very nice.
And some from Mommy.
Thompson, Tyson say, thank you everyone.
Thank you, everybody.
So the present make you have a good day.
Yeah.
Right. We happy for you, Tyson. You got too many presents.
The black and white daughter.
So how many presents you got in total? Let's say a lot.
5.
5? So which one you like the most?
That one. Definitely this one.
That one like the most?
Yeah.
Oh, Lego Mindstorm. What's the next one?
That one. 'Cause
Wow,
they're
Lego
biggest.
Technic. What's the next?
That one, then that one, and that one.
Oh, you like the hoodie, do you?
Yeah.
Right. No, they are very nice. Wow.
Oh my. This is so awesome.
Next 7 days lockdown. You gonna go to the present to play homeschooling and the toys.
Okay, these scissors. Mommy, do you know where the scissors are? Here.
Again, look back the cake here.
Scissors in here too.
Wow, nice cake anyway. Very nice.
Yeah, I want to eat it all.
Yeah, me too. Look very healthy. See, got raspberry, strawberry, and what's the another fruit?
I think they cooked something.
Yeah, exactly. I can't remember
It's
too.
something.
Yeah,
I like that small thing.
that's a small
Whoa.
present. Wow, that's a super. Oh, you can scan this one too.
Yeah, look at this launcher with the scan code, and look at this.
Yeah.
That's
Right.
That.
We
And that's the Genesis tip. That's
we
cool.
celebrate Tyson's birthday
Yeah, me.
in lockdown, another 7 days lockdown. Right.
Yeah.
That's right. We may have the dinner out tonight.
The orange.
No, take away dinners. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Tyson, say bye everyone.
Bye everybody who's watching.
Look at here. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this video.
Yeah. What did you find there, Ty? Is that metal?
Yes, that's metal.
Wow, that's look beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, this one. So is it can make the is it light up?
No.
No, it's not lights up yet. Wow, look at the launcher. Look bigger than normal. Is it?
Yeah.
How's about you, Tom?
He got perfect Phoenix. Wow, it's cool. Whoa. My one. Finish sure. Get my one, Tyson. Whoa, this is hard. Okay, I can do that. Or that. I don't remember how you take this out.
Cool.
It's definitely different to the other days.
Right. All right. Bye, everyone. Bye.